Welcome to another episode of Learning. In this video, we discuss the solution of a problem entitled Element Orders in Direct Products, that is, the orders of elements in the direct product of two given groups. And this problem is from the section Algebra. In particular, it is from group theory. This problem has appeared in the GATE Mathematics 2026 examination, and it is placed at serial number 54 in the question paper. Further, this question is suitable for JL, DL, TG set, AP set and CSIR NET examinations, and it is also suitable for the recently announced assistant professors' jobs under AP universities. Right. The given problem is, let Zn under addition modulo n be the group of integers modulo n. Let G be the external direct product of Z30 and Z12. It is written like this. Sometimes we read it as Z30 plus circle Z12. Then, which of the following statements is or true? It is a multiple select question. There may be more than one answer. We are given four options. Option A, G is not a cyclic group. Option B, the order of the element, the ordered pair 14, 7 in G is 98. In option C, the order of the element, the ordered pair 14, 7 in G is 60. Option D, there is an element in G of order 360. Right. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given G, the external direct product of Z30 and Z12, that is, G is Z30 plus circle Z12. Let's call on option A. G is not a cyclic group. Is it a cyclic group? If it is yes, then option A is false. If it is not a cyclic group, then option A is true. We have G is the external direct product of Z30 and Z12. Let us recall this theorem, which we'll call as theorem 1. The external direct product of two groups Zm and Zn, Zm plus circle Zn, is a cyclic group if and only if the GCD of m, n is 1. That is, m and n are relatively prime. In our case, m is 30 and n is 12. Note that GCD of m, n, that is the GCD of 30, 12 in our case, is equal to 6, not equal to 1. Therefore, by theorem 1, G is not cyclic. Thus, option A is true. In option A, it is given it is not a cyclic group. Yes, it is not a cyclic group. Therefore, option A is true. We move on to option D. There is an element in G of order 360. First of all, note down that the order of G is the order of the cardinality of G is equal to the cardinality of Z30 plus circle Z12. It is 30 into 12. Yes. Yes. It is 360. Right. Since the order of G is 360, an element of order 360 can exist if and only if G is cyclic. But in option A, we have seen it is not cyclic. Since we proved in A that G is not cyclic, no such element exists. Therefore, G has no element of order 360. Thus, option D is not true. Right. Right? Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Yes, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. It is absurd. Many of the viewers are just watching the videos without subscribing my channel. Please subscribe my channel and it will help me for the monetization. Number one, it will also help you because the moment I upload a video, it will be immediately notified to you, and so that you can go through the video. Yes, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. Right, we continue our discussion. We call on option B. The order of the element, the ordered pair 14, 7 in G is 98, option B. In option C, it is given 60. Right. Required to find the order of the element, the ordered pair 14, 7 in G. Now, the ordered pair 14, 7 belongs to G implies 14 belongs to Z30 and 7 belongs to Z12. Right. First we find what are the orders of 14 and 7 in Z30 and Z12. So here is the result for you. The order of an element in Z suffix n, the order of an element k in Zn plus n is given by the order of k is equal to n by the GCD of k comma n. Now 14 belongs to Z30. The order of 14 will be equal to 30 by GCD of 14 comma 30. Right. Now the GCD of 14 comma 30 is 2. So 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Now 7 belongs to Z12. So the order of 7 will be in Z12. It will be 12 by GCD of 7 comma 12. Right. So the GCD of 7 comma 12 is 1 because they are relatively prime, and it is 12 by 1 is 12. Now what will be the order of the ordered pair 14 comma 7 in G, that is Z30 plus circle Z12? For that we recall, we will now find the order of the ordered pair 14 comma 7 in G, that is Z30 plus circle Z12. For this we recall theorem 3. The order of an element in a direct product, let G1 comma G2, the ordered pair, be an element in the external direct product of G1 plus circle G2, then the order of the element, the ordered pair G1, G2, the order is the LCM of the orders of the components, that is the LCM of the order of G1 comma order of G2. So the order of 14 comma 7 by this theorem, LCM of the order of 14 comma order of 7. The LCM of order of 14 is 15, comma, order of 7 is 12. So it's a very simple exercise. LCM of 15, comma 12 is 60. So which is true? Option C is true and option B is not true. Thus, option C is true and option B is not true. Right. The statements that are true are options A and C. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem from the group theory, which is related to finding the orders of elements in direct products. Right. And in this itself, there are 3 formulae that we have given. In group theory, if you see carefully, there are many formulae that are available in group theory. That will help you. So, a good move is prepare a chart of, formulae in finite group theory, and they will be helpful for you for the next examination. Right. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching this video now. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please join as a member in my channel and support me and my channel. Your help and support will go a long way to maintain this channel successfully. Yes, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Those of you who have not already subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Yes, I am sure I will be meeting all of you once again in another episode of learning. Enjoy learning mathematics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.